content of Elon Musk's remarks during the earnings call, but rather the potential direction that Tesla could take in the coming years. Tesla is suffering today as a result of its unimpressive third-quarter earnings announcement. One of the main takeaways for investors was the cautions surrounding the much-anticipated Cybertruck. Elon Musk claimed during the call that Tesla had dug its own grave with the Cybertruck, referring to it as a special product that would be extremely challenging to market in order to achieve volume and profitability. When Netflix made the strange switch from renting DVDs to streaming in 2011 to 2013, it was a difficult transition that wasn't well communicated, and the stock suffered. I believe that Tesla is attempting to make this shift very gradual and is communicating to investors what they're trying to do rather than just yanking the blanket off the rug. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, recently revealed some unpleasant information during the company's Q3 earnings call. Musk mentioned that while he is concerned about the state of the global economy and the high interest rate environment, Tesla is concentrating on lowering production costs and increasing the affordability of its vehicles. The Cybertruck is expected to begin deliveries by the end of November, but Tesla faces long-term challenges in scaling up production. He moderated expectations for the vehicle and issued a warning that it won't produce a significant positive cash flow for 12 to 18 months after production starts. Elon Musk also discussed Tesla's advancements in AI and autonomous vehicles, and he revealed that the business intends to construct a new factory in Mexico. In this video, we'll examine some of Elon Musk's remarks, why they're important, and what they mean for Tesla's future. Stay tuned until the very end as we discuss the important points that investors should pay attention to rather than fretting about lower than expected earnings. Yes, I wasn't all that shocked. To be honest, the gross margin print this quarter was affected by some intentional production shortfalls for upgrades. Musk also made some comments on 2024 that alarmed investors. You mentioned the Mexico facility, which means that there won't be any more of the millions and millions of Model Ts that are currently on the market. Ultimately, though, I believe that we are all missing out on the greater good. Point here, which is I think Tesla is slowly trying to pivot away from being a huge volume car maker and into becoming a tier 1 supplier to other OEMs. We've seen what they've done with charging infrastructure on they're making so many batteries subsidized by the US government. They do power electronics, the biggest maker of these. I think they sell these things to OEMs and then ultimately get really what they want, which is licensing and selling FSD, which is really the profit center and gets them to the next step, which is robotaxi. So it's part of the roadmap that begins with cars as a proof of concept and migrates to becoming a tier 1 supplier, and then eventually a robotaxi maker. In his latest comments, Elon Musk sounded pessimistic about the state of the global economy, the challenges of making Cybertruck, and the need to make Tesla's car more affordable. He also revealed some details about Tesla's plans for a new factory in Mexico and the progress they're making on FSD technology. So what are the details about Musk's comments on Tesla's earnings call, and how does this affect Tesla's stock and Tesla shareholders? Well, let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla. Tomorrow, Tesla's enterprise is in line with the worldwide initiative to lessen global warming, as governments encourage the development of electric vehicles in tiny countries. The growth potential of Tesla in 2023 appears increasingly intriguing. The goal of most EV policies is to reduce emissions from gasoline-powered vehicles, which if left unchecked could result in significant climate change in the years to come. For example, the Canadian government has mandated that all new light-duty cars and passenger trucks be zero-emission by 2035. As more people begin to consider purchasing electric vehicles, more governments will probably follow suit in the future. But what does this mean for Tesla, and will their situation improve? Before we move on, though, keep an eye out to see what you think. To stay updated on all that Tesla is up to, click the like button, subscribe, and enable post notifications if you enjoy this kind of information. Tesla has increased its production scale and efficiency, allowing it to cut costs and boost profits. The carmaker has made significant investments in creating its own battery factories, such as the Gigafactory in Nevada, where it works with Panasonic to produce its own battery cells. Additionally, Tesla leverages vertical integration to manage the majority of its supply chain phases, from design to delivery. By doing this, the automaker is able to lessen its reliance on outside suppliers, streamline operations, and enhance quality and speed even further. Because batteries are the primary component of EV expenses, economies of scale may be achieved and costs can be reduced by Tesla thanks to its production efficiency. According to Tesla bull Ross Gerber, one of Tesla's strategies for guaranteeing sustainability and creating a green environment possible through its cars is to reduce the cost of its vehicles. There has never been a better time to go green than right now, and this can be achieved by choosing electric vehicles and installing solar panels on homes, according to the analyst. The demand for EVs is also rising at a rate that has never been seen, which is very true and is observed by most EV markets worldwide. For example, in mainland China, about 2.4 million EVs were delivered in the first half of 2022, accounting for about 26% of all car sales in the country. However, during the same period in 2021, EVs made up only 10% of China's car sales, indicating a rise in demand for EVs in that region. Similarly, in Europe, EV sales have increased to approximately 1.1 million EV deliveries in the first half of 2022, representing a 20% rise in car sales, while electric vehicles in the United States represented 6% of all passenger vehicles delivered. Clean energy solutions are being actively adopted by a number of nations worldwide. Thus, long-term investors really need to be searching for businesses that are in line with this coupling and the prospects of rising oil prices. Even though Ross Gerber stated that buying Tesla and electric vehicles might be among the most significant investment schemes over the next 10 years, investing in Tesla and the E-team in general should be investors' primary priorities in the upcoming years. In terms of innovation, Tesla leads all other automakers by a wide margin. Tech brand value, customer loyalty, and the automaker's ongoing development of new features and goods, such as the Cybertruck Model Y and FSD software, that appeal to the expanding market of EV consumers with its strong brand identification and associations with social responsibility, environmental sustainability, and visionary leadership. Tesla has a competitive advantage over rivals who are finding it difficult to match its quality and pricing. In addition to its diversified portfolio, which is encroaching on other industries that complement its primary automated business and generate new revenue streams, Tesla has established a supercharging network that offers customers in the US and around the world quick and easy ways to charge their devices. The company has also ventured into the energy sector with products like solar roofs and Powerwall power packs, which enable users to produce, store, and utilize renewable energy for their homes or businesses. Additionally, Tesla intends to introduce the Tesla Network, a new service that will let users share or utilize their cars as self-driving taxis. Additionally, these companies will strengthen Tesla's value proposition and foster synergies with its automated business. Regarding Tesla's future, investors essentially have nothing to worry about because of the company's compelling narrative. However, do you believe that Tesla's future remains bright? Please share your thoughts with us down in the comments section below, and for more thrilling Tesla updates, please click the following video to watch it on your screen.